Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina. If you like my content and would like to see more, consider subscribing. Other than that, today we're going to be doing and trying on for first time a stamp eyeliner, and in particular the Flick Stick, the stamp eyeliner from Lovoir. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but if you will be interested, their information is going to be in the description box. This video is not sponsored. However, they did send this to me for free to try it out and see how I like it and how beginner friendly it is. So if you want to see if this is a good fit for you or not, then keep on watching. Now, as you can see, they come in two. One is for the left eye and the other one is for the right eye. In order for you not to get confused, it's actually written on the stick itself, to which I found very useful. And this is how the stamp looks like up close. All you gotta do is just press it at the corner of your eye and voila, the one is done. Easy peasy. Next, with the eyeliner side of the pen, I'm going to finish up the liner. You can make it thinner or thicker or only halfway through. I went with a more of a thin, natural look today. I don't know about you guys, but this was incredibly easy and it looks fabulous, and it only took half of the time compared to my normal routine. I personally definitely find these very helpful if you are a beginner. If you want to up your wing game, this I think is an amazing product. As from what you've seen, I had no problem on stamping it on and apply. The tip of the eyeliner is so thin that I had no issues on going either with thinner line if you want to go more natural, or if you want to go more dramatic, you can extend it. Super easy. As a matter of fact, I thought the bulkiness of them would be on the way to actually kind of be comfortable to hold it in your hand while you're doing it. To my surprise, I had no issue and it was actually pretty comfortable, as you have seen in the video. So would I recommend this product? Yes, absolutely. I love them. I'm definitely going to use them in the future. So if you want to get yourself one, I will leave the link in the description box. If you have any other products in mind that you would like me to demo or review, leave it in the comments down below. Other than that, I love you guys and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!